Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you all Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 13 and text number 23, that is Upadrashtanu Mantacham Bharta Bhokta Maheshwara Paramatmaiti Chapyukto Dehasmin Purusha Para, which means there is another enjoyer which is transcendental, the supreme enjoyer, the Lord, the supreme proprietor, and he is the overseer and also the permitter, and he is the cause of all causes, the supreme Lord, and is known as the super soul. Purport. So it is said in the above text here by the supreme personality of Godhead about the super soul. So the super soul, as we have discussed many times, is a planetary expansion of the supreme personality of Godhead in such a way that it exists in the hearts of all of the living entities which exist. So this super soul is always with the living entity, which means the supreme personality of Godhead himself is always with each and every one of us, always persuading us to take us back to the spiritual kingdom. The Lord is always very happy if anyone comes to the spiritual kingdom, because He wants all of us, the living entities who are the parts and parcels of the Supreme Personality of Godhead Himself, to be with Him. So, we need to offer devotional service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So, the Super Soul also, it tries to help us from within and from without. So, from within, it tries to persuade us like, you can give up all of this, just offer your devotional service for me, then you will definitely be happy. And from without, the Supreme Personality of Godhead helps us by Bhagavad Gita. So all you need to do to understand all of this is to read Bhagavad Gita. So just by reading the Bhagavad Gita, I am sure you will have some and develop some love for the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and you can also easily engage your mind in the devotional service of the Supreme Lord.